Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on Magic Tile 3. To know how to fix or how to solve mute notifications on Magic Tile 3 app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window or to the app of Magic Tile 3. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.